All right. All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I came in a little bit late. Good morning, everybody. All right. All right. All right. Yes, we are live. Yes. Someone asking, are we meeting today? Yes, I am live. Yes, I am live. All right. Good day, everybody, and good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Abby, but it's already here. Happy from Canada. Priceless from Abuja. All right, once you join, just let me know where you're joining from. All right. All right, good day, everybody. I'm trusting God that this week will be good for all of us. All right. And please help me share the link. Let's see as much as we can invite into this live session. Let's see as much as we can invite into this live session. Just share the link, please share the link. Share the link, share the link, share the link. All right. Happy, how are you? Trust you're fine. All right. let's let's just wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. Please help me share this link. Let's invite everybody. Anybody you know is a foreign student, just please share the link to the let them come and then let's analyze together. Let's analyze together. Let's see what we have today. 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 Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, 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 okay. All right. Okay, okay, okay. So let's get started. We're good. Okay. Happy says we are good. Don't worry, I'll see you next week in Lagos. I'll see you next week in Lagos. Okay, let's go straight into the market and let's see what we have here. All right, I'll start with gold as usual. I'll start with gold as my custom is. Let me see 4 hours of gold. Let me see 4 hours of gold. Okay. Gold has been creating higher highs and higher lows, and higher highs and higher lows. All right, it's creating higher highs and higher lows. And of course, we have that last break of structure. We have this last break of structure here. And that's the one that tells us where the trend is going to. So that's the last break of structure. And of course, the support is here. And then we have another structure here. Another structure here. Another structure here. And that one has its own support way down here. It has its support here. So the question is, will gold come down? That's the question. Will gold still come down furthermore into this zone? Will gold come down furthermore? If gold's going to come here, then where do we have our liquidities? We have one here. I have a liquidity point here. And then I have another one here. This is the order flow. But I think that gold will most likely come down here. I think so. So let me go look for other lower time frame structure. Let's go look for other lower time frame structure. And let's see what we've got. Let's see what we have. These equal highs here. We have this level here. We have this level here. And then we have a shift internally. We have this shift here. We have this shift here. So I gave a sell this morning. Hoping that gold will go up and clear these equal highs here before going further down. So I gave that sell like this. I gave the sell. If you're in a Telegram channel, I think you will have seen this call I made this morning. I give this call in the morning. You can go and pick it up in the Signal group on Telegram. So I'm hoping that this guy will still go up and clear some of these liquidities before going down. But gold is a sell. All right, gold is a sell. Gold is a sell. All right, let's go to another instrument. You will see the full coordinate of this gold in the Telegram channel. Let's go for another instrument. Let's see Euro JPY. Let's see Euro JPY. let's see. Let me see 4 hours. Okay, we have this shift to the downside here. You see, I will always look for my direction. I will always look for where the breakout structure is, because that is what tells me where the direction of the market is. So in this case now, I have my breakout structure to the downside here. By the way, let me see what we have on daily, 24 hours. What do we have on 24 hours? On daily, we have taken out first structure, second structure, and the third structure. So I see all of these as pullback to keep going down. All right, so we have taken out about 3 structures, and I think that alone suffices for conclusion that Euro JPY is going to go down. Now, if that is true, I have a breaker here. I have a breaker somewhere here, and that's why I gave a sell coordinate. I gave a sell coordinate around this axis. I think I gave a current market price and stop loss around here. I gave a sell coordinate on this also. So check this out also in the Telegram channel. You will find the sell signal that I dropped in there. Number three, I want to go to, let me go to US oil. I gave this also in the morning. Okay, US oil is not here. Let me go to GBP JPY, GJ Bulowa. So, of course, GJ will behave the same way as Euro JPY, but let's just see what it looks like. On 24 hours, what do we have there? On 24 hours, what do we have there? We also have a change of character here. We have a shift here. We have a shift here to the downside. All right. And of course, price is going to do a correction up there to go down also. Now, there's a rule that I have that says before you conclude that a trend is changing, allow that trend to break at least 2 structures. All right. When we look at the Euro JPY, we saw that it has broken about 3 structures. But here in GJ, it has only taken out 1 structure. All right. So, of course, like I said again, GJ and EJ, they behave the same way. All right. So I want to believe that it's going to sell also. Going to sell. I didn't give this in the Telegram channel, but I gave the Euro JPY. So just go there and pick it up at the channel there. Now let me go over to my derivative instruments. Let's go to derivative instruments. I trade gold primarily and Euro JPY primarily. Now let me start with step indices today because I've done some of these ones up there in the with the VIP group. Those are my inner circle. So I told them I was going to check other ones and send in the outlook. Let's start with jump 100. We'll just go from down all the way up. Yeah, Victor, you're welcome. Good morning. Good afternoon, rather. Let's go from jump 100 and see what it has. Jump 100 is not looking like anything good for me because when instead we see price just doing this, just stay out of it. Just let it go. All right, let it go. Who's next? Let's see. 75, 75, 75. I think I gave 75 also. Let me quickly check that. I don't know, I'm not very sure again, but I think I did. I thought I did. Yeah, okay, not this, not this. 75 here on daily, what do we have? Now, please note this and learn this for good. Once you see a chart like this, like I've always said, you want to go to the higher time frame, 4 hours, weekly, daily, and look for the higher time frame outlook. What does it look like? It gives you an idea of what is happening in the entire market. On a higher time frame, I have my break of structure up there and then support here, and then another break of structure down here and the support here. So price now is still looking bullish as at this structure. As at this structure, we have a break of structure there, and then we have our support way down here. So this is our bullish outlook. Our support is here, and this is the bullish outlook. Now price had come in, taking out all of these, all right, took out all of these also. So let's see if it's gonna go. And from here now, it has done. Someone said I use now a lot. From here now, and from here, I will stop using it now. And from here, we have had a shift to the upside there, and then price coming down. But of course, you see, there is an inducement here, right? And of course, to my left here, you have an unmitigated zone, a breaker, and FVG and other block there. So I'm suspecting, I believe the price might come down there, and then go back up. All right. So if this is true, then let's see what we've got on the lower time frame. Let's see what we've got on the lower time frame. Let's see what we've got. Let's see. Now, we want to see whether this guy is going to come down or it's going to go up. So I scale down to 4 hours. I want to see what's there on 4 hours. What do I have here? We have this protected low here, and then we have this guy here. Okay, let me see 2 hours. This one called scaling down. Scaling down. Akura, Mr. Solomon, how are you? You scale down. Was scaling down to see whether this guy will still go up or it's going down. Now, based on 1 hour structure, I have my last resistance here. Someone is asking for the link. Please, I beg you, please help me share this link. I'm busy now. Someone is asking for the link to join the live session. Please help just drop this link somewhere. I don't know where you're going to drop it now. Just drop it somewhere, maybe in the Telegram or WhatsApp, all of my group. Just drop it there in all of my group. If you are there, please help drop this link. Someone is asking me on WhatsApp, how can I join the link and all? So what I have here is I have a current bearish structure. I have, this is the break of structure on 1 hour. So what it means is this is a sell structure as at now. Let me go down to 15 minutes on this. All right. Yes, so I see this. Now price had come into, I want to check 30 minutes. I'm looking for something now. I want to see whether I will see a liquidity on 30 minutes on 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me do 1 hour time frame. Let me do 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Okay, on 1 hour I have my origin, what you will call all the block and fair value gap there. So price had tapped into that zone and done a shift and done another shift to the downside and done this shift to the downside. So I want to believe that what's happening now is a correction to keep going down. If that is true, then let me go to 15 minutes and wait for a sell setup and wait for a sell structure. Right, I want to wait for a sell structure. Good. You see here now, I'm seeing you know here I'm seeing shoulder, head, and shoulder, and of course price came in there. So I think this guy might do something like this and then go down. All right, I think if I do something like this and go down. Did I share this in Telegram? Please help me check Telegram if you can hear me. Did I drop this in Telegram? I don't know. Can I just check briefly? I want to check briefly what we have here. J75. Oh yeah, I did. Oh my gosh. I gave a buy and it's gone. It didn't take our order. It didn't take our order. So bad. I think I'll have to delete this order. Now I gave a buy in the morning. I gave this buy like this. I gave this buy to this guy after giving us this shift here. All right. I gave the buy to probably come back and go up. But unfortunately, it's been going up. So if that is true, then I think we have to delete this buy order and look for a sell setup now. Look for a sell setup. We'll look for a sell setup. Let me take out all of this. Let's take out all of this. Hope. Okay, so what I have here now is me and this now have a thing. What I have here is price have given us a shift to downside and has done shoulder edge shoulder there and has corrected into this zone, giving us an equal high there, So what I expect is I want to see a sweep of that high before I take a sell. So what you want to do is let me just give a sell coordinate here. But SL will be up there. Sell coordinate here. Bam 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 bam. Bam 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 bam. So I'm looking at these, but my concern is, will it sweep this equal high? If it does, then we want to go down from after the sweep. So if that is the case, then I will give out a sell coordinate for but before then. Let me check what I have again. I want to just check my conclusions on higher time frame again. Just give me a sec. My God. Okay. All right. Okay, so that is my resistance, and then my stop loss will be above here. I want this guy to come sweep here. So I will give a sell limit. Sell limit on J75. Enterprise, looking at a sweep above this point. That will be 12,299. No, yes. And then SL will graciously be above 12,583. Am I correct? All right, and then our take profit will be where? Our take profit will be somewhere below here. Let me stay here. This is but 1:2 or 1150, 1156. Let me see 4, 1156, 560. Okay. Risk management applies. All right, please, you have anything you want me to check, please send me your pair. Let me see what you want me to check and analyze for you. So this is my outlook on JPY. Sorry, Jump 75. I'm going to delete the one we have now because that has been invalidated. That has been invalidated. Whoosh. I go to the next one. Let's do step index. Step index 24 hours. What do you have to say? Step index 24 hours. I'm looking at what this guy is doing. Oh man. Let me see lower time frame perhaps. I'm not seeing anything very clear here. Always on time. You can't do no wrong. Okay, it's coming from a double bottom here. Okay, there's a shift there. Leave the 99, always for the one. Okay, looks like it's is it making sense here? Now please take note, anytime you don't find a clean structure, please, you're not under any duress to take that trade. I learned that many years ago. Once you don't find a clean setup, you are not under any obligation to take that trade. I have this level here. I have this level here. I have this level here. And I think this guy might haunt this place. Okay, so let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, it's coming from a double bottom also. So I think this guy will there. I'm thinking whether it will go up or not. Let me see. Pam, pam, pam. Okay. So I want to look for a buy here. I want to look for a buy here. My only concern for this guy now is I'm suspecting a sweep gonna happen because this guy had not been swept. There's that strong equal load there. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's do a very short buy here. If you come back down, sorry. If you come back down, we have a buy limit on step index. Enterprise will be just come down a little bit 787,832. SL will be just below there 7578 rather 25. Your take profit will be of course this high here 7845. Risk management applies. So this is my call out on 100 index, 100 step. Let me try and place that on my account too so I don't miss it out. Let me do that right away. Please, you have any question, any comment, please drop any question, any thoughts, any take on anything. Just drop it in the comment section and I will come back to it. All right. 7 8. All right, let's go. What's the next instrument? Step 200. Step 200. Step 100. Step 100. All right, what are you saying? Let's see higher time frame. Let me see 24 hours. 24 hours, what are you talking about? Hmm. Step 2, multi-step 2. Okay, multi-step 2. I will leave this. I'm not seeing a very clear setup there. Let's take step 3, multi-step 3. If you have any instrument you want me to check for you, please drop it in the comment section and I will check for you. Step 300. You see, there's a way you will see a chart, whether on a higher time frame, and then you can just conclude on what's happening there. Yeah, John, well done, thank you. You just check on a higher time frame and you will know what is happening in that instrument. Just one outlook. All right, this guy came and did a sweep above here, and then did a shift here, and now we have the A. I think I have this strategy A, B, C, D. A, B, swept this, and then B, incomplete pullback, and then the C is here. So price came back into this level, even though it didn't enter, and then went all the way down and swept this low. Price swept this low. So I'm suspecting, because this guy didn't enter into this other block area, it didn't sweep this high. There's liquidity resting around this place. So I suspect that this guy is going to do this into that level. So if that is true, then I want to look for a buy setup. I want to look for a buy setup. Let's do that quickly. I want to look for a buy setup. All right. So I scale down to 4 hours. 90. Okay, someone said look at 91s. But let's be done with this. Let's be done with this. I have this breakout here to the upside. I'll say it again. I always look for my break of structure because that's what tells me where the market is going or where the price is headed. All right, and that's why all of my analysis, you will see me write my BOS somewhere. What that tells me is it's giving me an idea of where the price is going. Now, there's no how you will not hit stop loss in this business. There's no how. But of course, I've always said this: even if you lose money professionally. All right. If you lose money professionally. Don't lose money blindly. More like saying, I haven't done all. If price still take you out, it's okay. There's no what used to it's normal. But at the end of the day, let your win rate be way higher than your your losing rates. At least this year I've done about almost two almost 150% of my account this year I've done because I've had pickup losses in between, but in overall, in the last 2 months, I've done about 150% of my account, which is not a bad one. in one of my accounts. Other account I've done by 400% and all. So sure that you have a higher win rate. There's no how you will not have stop loss in this stuff. In this sheet called Forex, like what do we say? All right, so I have that break of structure there, and then I have I have okay, this has been taken out. This is already taken out, so this is not a concern for me. This is not a concern for me. This is not a concern for me. It's swept already. My concern now will be that this guy is meant to go back up, but I have let me see 8 hours. Maybe that will help. Let me see 8 hours. I have this zone here. Price had come in there already and gone up. Now watch this. Anytime you see this price comes into your liquidity area, goes up, but refuse to give you a break of structure above the overall high there, and then it goes back down. It's going to take out that particular low in itself into the next liquidity point. So in this case now, I have this liquidity point here. So I'm suspecting that it's going to come drop down here before going back up. Drop down here before going back up. So let me scale this down to 1 hour. I want to see what that looks like on 1 hour. Okay. So on 1 hour, I'm seeing a sell opportunity. I think before price gets down there, it will take a while. Let me see if there's going to be a sell setup. 5 minutes. Is there a sell setup? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, there's no sell setup here. I see these highs are taken out. But then I've seen price done this first shift here and then into another structure. Into another structure. And this guy has his own support way here. That's a support way here. So what this means is if this low is not taken out, never think of a sell. Until this low is taken out, never think of a sell. Can't hear me? Please, can you hear me, please? If you hear me, just drop one. And because if you can hear me, just drop one for me. Let me see. If you can hear me, please just drop one. Someone says, I can't hear you, sir. Oops, I think it took back that. Please, if you hear me, just drop one. Let me know you are all hearing me, please. Please let someone, okay, good. That means you're all hearing me. I guess that person has internet issue. So for step 300, until this low is taken out, you don't think of a sell. There has to be that structure that gives you that temerity to want to sell. All right. So let's go. Okay, I'm here. I hear now. I can hear now. So okay, good. Now let's go to look out for 91S. Someone says 91S, please. Let's do that quickly. 91S. Please, if you're not in my Telegram channel, you're very wrong. Very, very wrong. Please go there. We drop free signals there almost every day. Please I'll ask the admin again to just post the link to the channel, so you all go there and pick those things up. Just pick them up, and you can tell you could make some cool dollars there, you know. So 91, that will be my last instrument for today. 24 hours. What are you saying? Let's do this together. Let's do this together. This guy used to be the nightmare of the river, but I don't know why. I think they reduced it. 91S. This is a bearish trend, but of course, I work with immediate structures. I have this structure here. We have the break of structure there. We have the resistance there. And then up there we have its origin. And we are here, we have this incomplete pullback here. Incomplete pullback here. My goodness. Incomplete pullback here. All right. And then we have this, and this. And now you observe that I'm suspecting a shift to the upside somewhere. I'm seeing this guy taking out this. This is actually a shift here. That's a shift there, and price had taken out this low. I've done a sweep of this low here. It's on a sweep of this low here. Swept. This has been swept. All right. So I think as it stands now, I want this guy to correct, and let's look for a buy. Back on, let me see, 4 hours. Oof. Nah. It's going to be a very long sell. Before the buy happens, somewhere down here, then it means there may be a sell opportunity. There may be a sell opportunity. This other sweep here tells you this is a break of structure, so it's trying to correct back to discount for us to look for a buy. So what it means is this guy is going down. This guy is going down, and I've seen the shift here. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. I've seen a shift in there. I've seen that shift, and then another break of structure here. And then I have the support here. And this support has this inducement here. It has this inducement here. It has this. So what this means is this man will most likely come back down here, and then we're going to have a buy around this place. All right. If you have been here like an hour ago, we'll have had this outlook. There's a BOS here internally. We've had this outlook. And of course, price went back into the origin there, and it's going down now. So John, you asked this question. So this guy is going down. I see it doing this, all right, before doing either this or going down. It's going down. Let me see, 15 minutes. Perhaps. It's going down. Now, one thing it might do is it might go up and sweep. You have this high, you have this high, several highs there. So it may go and sweep one of the highs and go down. All right, so I would advise that you want to wait for it to grab a liquidity before going down. Let me go to 5 minutes. So if it does a sweep around here and gives you a reversal, then you want to sell. If it does this, you want to sell. So let me call out this one, just hoping it does that. There's inverse FVG here. My time is up. There's inverse FVG here, so hopefully it does this. SL should be here, over here, and then you go down 1:3. So let's have this sell limit on 91s. Your entry price will be, want to see a sweep perhaps 10,906. 10,906. Your SL should be up there, 10,90, 980, 10,980. And then your take profit. Of course, you're good around this level here. 10,6, 10,6, where is it? 5,7. Risk management applies. All right, it's nice having you guys here this morning. I'm so glad that we're making progress. But please do well to invite everybody. I want to ensure before the end of this year, we have at least 10,000 people in this room. By the end of this year, let's hit the mark of 10,000 subscribers. All right, any question? If there's no question, God bless you. See you again on Monday. But please do well to join Telegram and catch up with me on all my signals. They are completely free, as with FOC. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much for coming. And God bless you. Thank you for coming, and God bless you. If you have any question, please drop it for me. I will